of the course, and as part of the course, what exactly you're looking for. So, Manikanta, can you just brief about yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Manikanta, and I have around 5.9 years of experience, and currently I'm working in Cognizant as a backup administrator. And in the cyber security means the security every day, even backup. We have multiple technology. Currently, we are working on the backup technology where there is no more group and there is no more calls. That too, when I checked, go through the Naukri or other platforms, I could see many opportunities for the SailPoint security. So that's why I choose security to to upgrade my skills and to change or something to grow up in my career. And
Okay, thank you. Amol?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, Amol, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Amol, we
So
can able to hear you.
yeah,
Go
yeah,
ahead.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So currently, I have around 15 plus of years experience in identity and access management. Means from that, total experience is 15 plus. Currently, I am working in Barclays as a Pega developer since last 3 years. So prior to that, I was a part of identity access management. So I work on Sun IDM as well as in Oracle IDM as well. Basically, in Sun IDM, I work as working as a developer in iGate Patni computer system in Chennai location. Later then, I moved to Accenture for 2 years in Bangalore. So I work on Oracle identity management on 10 and 11 version. Now, the purpose of this to join this course is that so I'm looking forward to continue my and gain a knowledge in identity and access management. So that's why I choose to SailPoint ISC because of now, as per the current market, most of the things and most of the products are moving to the clouds, right? So perhaps due to that reason only, I try to focus on ISC part only. So yeah, so that is basically for learning purpose and in future to change the my organization or moving to the another team. So that is the purpose mostly to join this course. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.
And, thank you,
Hello.
Amol. Ramesh?
Yeah, yeah.
Ramesh, can you unmute and speak?
Yeah, yeah. Hi, this is Ramesh. I have totally around 8 years of experience in middleware administration, and presently I'm looking for upgrade my skills. So I'm I'm looking at some friends and suggested to SailPoint. It looks fine as of now, so it's suitable to for me. I think. It's administration, but also so that's why I'm looking for a sale point.
Thank you. Thank you, Ramesh. Yeah, Manish, you can go ahead.
Okay. Okay, sure. Like, hi everyone. Okay, so first of all, I'll give my information. So, like, I've been working in IM industry for around 8 years, and mainly I've been working with in the development side for Oracle products, SailPoint products. Okay, so I've been like experienced with multiple projects, like more than 15 to 20 projects I have done, combining all the OIM and SailPoint projects. Okay, and I've been teaching as well for the past 4 to 5 years. Okay, so coming to this course, okay, so I'll just share my screen and I'll show you the overview, like what are the things that we are going to cover, okay, in this course. Okay, give me just 1 minute. Are you able to see my screen? the course overview screen?
Yeah, now visible.
Yes, we are
Okay.
able to see
Okay.
your screen.
So in this course, like this course is for SailPoint ISC beginner to implement, like advanced course implement, like, okay. So you will see, like, I'll be starting from the scratch. Okay. And after that, I'll be going till the advanced level. Okay. Not every advanced topic you will see, like, because some topics, like, I can guide you only. Okay. But you require help from the SailPoint team to configure that. Okay. So apart from that, everything, whatever as a developer or a implementer, any developer can do. So I'll be teaching you all those concepts. Okay. So it includes these many modules. Okay. So we'll be starting with the overview of identity management and the governance concept. Okay. So what are the key concepts? Like, for example, JML, birthright access, all of those things we'll be seeing. After that, I'll just deep dive into the Identity Now features. What features are provided by Identity Security Cloud or Identity Now, and what's the architecture and what the different components will be there when you start working on the SailPoint Identity Now. Okay, and here, like, I'll be using both the words interchangeably. Okay, so do not get confused whether they are two different products or only one. It's only one product, Identity Now. Okay, so earlier the name was Identity Now. Now the name has been changed to Identity Security Cloud. Okay, so it has kind of a rebranded with Identity Security Cloud name. Okay, but in a lot of places you will still see they are using Identity Now. In the tenant, like, this is a cloud tool. So in the tenant also, if you see, they are using the Identity Now name only. They have not changed it to ISC or Identity Security Cloud. So it's like you will see both the names. But try to use the Identity Security Cloud only because SailPoint uses that only now. Next is we'll be starting with the module will be for virtual appliance. Okay. And then we'll see what are, like, how you can install it, see the theory, what are the things will be covered. Okay. What is the architecture of virtual appliance? What are the log structure and how everything is stored over here. Okay. All of those things will be configuring here in the virtual appliance. After that, we'll see the source integration, okay, as an authoritative source integration. So we will see the HRMS application for employees, for contractors, and also we will see one more authoritative application called as a web services. Okay, it will be based on web services. So the two sources I'll show you on using delimited file, that's a disconnected application, and one authoritative source will be a connected application. Okay. And the type would be the REST web services. Okay. Now moving ahead. After that, we'll be covering LDAP integration, like a OUD. Like here, I'm using the Oracle Unified Directory as an LDAP application, and that I'll be showing you how you can integrate. Okay. So you can use any LDAP application and integrate it in the same way. Okay. After that, we'll be starting with with the extensibility module of SailPoint. Extensibility module means what are the things that you can extend in SailPoint ISC. For example, transform is one of them. So you can manipulate the data. Whatever is coming from the target or trusted sources, you can manipulate the data with the help of transforms. So we will see that. And after it, we'll see the Active Directory as well. Okay. Active Directory implement, like, integration. First of all, we'll see how you can install it in your local system, and after that, we'll see how you can integrate it. Okay. Later, before JDBC, we'll be seeing the API, like the JDBC and the cloud rules. So we have the cloud APIs, right? So that we will see because we'll be covering rules, basically the cloud rules and the connector rules. Okay, so I'll tell you if you not know about the cloud rule and the connector rules. So again, it's a kind of one of the extensibility module what we have in the SailPoint, through which you can extend the functionalities of SailPoint IS. Okay, so we will see that, and after that, because we'll be configuring some rules in the database application. That's why I'll first cover the rules and then we'll go into the database. Okay. Once all of these connectors are done, then we'll start with the role-based access management, okay, RBAC. So how you can configure a RBAC, what is an RBAC, what are the different modules, access modules are present in SailPoint ISC. So we'll be going through each of them. Okay, and we'll be seeing multiple use cases as well, like how you can implement an RBAC in an organization, because there are multiple ways you can do it. Okay. Later, we'll see about the governance and the compliance. So it includes the policies, certification, okay, the search capabilities, like search, because search is like very like important feature in SailPoint ISC that you need to know. With the help of search, you can do policies, you can do SOD creation. Okay, all of those things can be done using search. Okay, so we will see. We'll go into this module and we'll learn about these. Later, we'll be seeing the LCM module, like lifecycle and the password management. This only will include the workflow development as well, because both of this like comes as a combined step. Okay. So we will be seeing these many use cases as well, like defining and configuring lifecycle state, like how you can configure the lifecycle like management, how you can. Okay, so that those terms or the topics we'll be seeing. After that, yeah, this module I'll be showing you in the beginning only, like I have listed it in the down. Okay, but it will be shown in the beginning as well, because this is the SailPoint REST API. Like, because a lot of things can be done through API only, there is no UI present in SailPoint ISC. So that those things will be I'll be showing you in the beginning as well, like after module 2 or after module 1 only, I'll be covering this topic. Okay. And in the last, like we have a workflow development that will be covered along with module 111. Okay, so these are the topics that I'll be going through, okay, when we start this course. So like, do you have any questions or any concerns regarding this syllabus, or you have any more expectation to of the syllabus or anything like that? You can discuss, we can discuss about that.
The syllabus related to development or administration part?
It's related to development. Okay.
Okay. Currently I'm working on administration part, right? So is it possible to learn?
See, there is no, this ISC platform is a low coding platform. Okay. So you do not need to do much Java coding or something like that. So the basic requirement is like you'll be doing most of the implementation only in SailPoint ISC. And in some places you will be configuring transforms. Okay. So in place of rules, in place of Java code, SailPoint ISC has given a different tool for us. Okay. That is called a JSON. So with the help of JSON, you can create transforms. Okay, so there are some certain defined type of JSON are like this transforms are present. So there is a format for the transforms. Okay, so we need to write that and you can extend the functionality. Okay, because here not much coding is involved. More of the implementation work is there. Okay.
Is administration part also will comes under this only, or how, Manish?
Yes,
Because,
yes, it will
yeah,
cover all that. If you know the concepts of a
yeah,
development, then you will be able to cover the administration part also, because there is no specific syllabus for administration or the development.
okay.
Only thing is like in the development, it will add cloud rules, it will add more workflow development, because in the administration, you don't need to know how the workflow can be developed. Okay.
Yeah, why I'm asking is like we are
Mm.
from administration part, like not
Yeah,
aware.
that is fine. I'll be teaching you the
Yeah.
concepts first, and then I'll be like, because yeah, like coming to the, for example, if I showing you the rules and all, I cannot teach you Java, but
Oh,
I can show you how you can write it. Okay, because you can reference the other rules and you can like get more information. Okay, because
okay.
in most of the implementation in the organization, you will see that you're not get a chance to write a rule. No rules are required.
Correct.
Only with the transforms, everything can be done. Okay, so
Correct.
this is important. So, and this is easy also. So you need to just like kind of remember also, if you some type of transforms, it will be easy for you. Okay.
And one more thing, Manish, like I'm working on the rotational shifts actually.
Mhm.
Okay, so if I didn't attend the class on the particular day, so will you provide the recording session to us in the WhatsApp group or somewhere? That would help
Yeah,
us.
Ganesh can provide you that, because I think recording
Okay,
feature is enabled. Okay.
Okay, anything is fine. You are Ganesh. Anyone will provide, then that
Yeah,
would
because
be
like
helpful for
it's
us.
this Zoom is provided by Ganesh only,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
he will be
Like
having that recordings.
yeah,
Okay,
because
we can do that.
currently I'm in night shift, Manish. So and next week maybe I'm in afternoon shift. Like that, they are
Okay,
rotating.
now recordings will be
So
provided to you. Yeah, so
okay,
that's not
okay,
a
Manish.
problem. Recordings, documents, okay, whatever I'll show you, those documents
Okay.
also will be provided. Okay, if like I'll get your emails once we start the
Okay,
course, and I'll be providing you the OneDrive access.
okay,
Okay,
Manish.
so you will
Okay,
get
Manish.
that. Only for
Yeah.
the recordings, you can reach out to Ganesh, and then the documents I'll be providing it to you. Okay.
Okay, Manish. Sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Manish, Amol this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, my question is that post completion of this our course, right?
Hmm.
So how much we are confident to in order to fulfill our requirement with respect to like a job change or with respect to
See,
development skills.
with this course, when you complete all the use cases that I'm going to show you, because I'll be covering the industry standard use cases. Okay, that's what we are going to configure, because I have done like 3 to 4 projects in ISC in the last 2 years mostly. So
Mm-hmm.
like I'll utilize those use cases and I'll show you, because yeah, everything I cannot show you because there are a lot of applications that is a paid application. Okay,
Exactly,
for
exactly.
example, Workday. So those applications I won't be able to show you, but yeah, like based on the other use cases, I'll be showing you how you can do that, what will be your approach. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so like once you complete this training, you can fake up to like 2 to 3 years of experience. You can tell them to the person that I worked around 2 to 3 years in the identity access, like in
So you
ISC tool.
so when we are one more question is that are we planning for any demo projects post completion of this course or use
Yes, there is
cases
a mock
in our
project. Yeah, there's a mock project I will give you. Okay, so there are
Mhm.
certain use cases in that as a separate will be provided to you, and that you need to configure. Okay, and
Oh,
yeah, once you have a doubt on that, yeah, you will we'll have a doubt session on it, and we can cover it. Okay.
okay, okay, okay. Thanks.
Otherwise, there is a solution guide also, so I can provide you both. The like a question guide and then solution guide as well. So you can first practice on your own, and after that you can see. Even if you're not able to understand the use case, yeah, like we can connect and I'll help you to like get that resolved.
Okay, Manish. Yeah, got it clear.
Okay. So any more questions regarding this topics and all?
Manish, I have one question. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
just now you shown right that curriculum
Mm-hmm.
and what
Yeah.
are the modules are going to cover, right? So
Yeah.
don't get it mine, okay? So I cross check with the others uh, somewhere on Google. I just did googling and I
Mm-hmm.
got to know there are certain topics which supposed to be part of the ISC course, like access request, reportings,
Yeah, that
other
is there.
than
No,
as you
that
already
is
cover compliance
yeah.
and certifications.
In the
Yeah, yeah.
search, see,
And apart
search will contain everything. Yeah,
mm,
it's report, compliance,
acha,
SOD, policies, everything is under search only in ISC. Okay, if you know search, you'll be able to configure all of these things.
okay,
Okay, so everything is connected with search.
okay, okay,
Access request is
okay.
connected with role
Search
based
is the
access
kind of
management, RBAC. Okay, so yeah,
okay,
like
okay,
every
okay,
keyword I have not written it over here because I prepared it myself. Okay, so every keyword you won't find,
okay,
but
okay. I
every
got it.
topic
Actually,
is configured. Yeah. See, queries
okay, okay,
reports are
okay.
there,
No,
build
no,
custom
yeah.
search queries, build reports, okay, reporting structure, okay, see
Mm-hmm.
certification, hands-on certification campaigns, segregation of duty and
Life
the
cycle
policy
means
implementation.
life cycle is
This is the
life
lifecycle
cycle means that
management.
is JML process only, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So there are
That is
multiple
JML
ways
only,
in
right?
which, yeah, yeah. So there are multiple ways you can configure that LCM. So I'll be showing you multiple use cases in this as well. Okay, because you can configure it using lifecycle state, you can configure it using workflow. Okay, so you can configure it using RBAC. So a lot of things can be done. Okay. So all of these use cases will be covered in that only.
Okay. Yeah. And what is the duration for this course? Means total
Duration
completion?
is like almost like 30 hours you can consider. Okay. Including the doubt session and all, like it will be 30 plus hours will be there.
Okay.
So these timings can increase and like decrease as well based on your participation, because consider I have been only teaching, you are not asked any question in the entire course. Then anyhow this time is going to be decreased, right? I'll be able to complete it.
Yes. Got it. Yes.
So
Agree.
okay. So any more questions related to this training? Okay, that you wanted to ask before we continue this like this training and all?
That's it, Manish, from my end.
Okay.
Yeah, I also agree with your curriculum.
Okay. Okay. So like Ganesh, are you there?
Yeah, I manage.
Okay.
So Manikanta, Ramesh, do you have any questions?
Nothing, no. That's it from my end. I'm, good to, join as soon as Manish starts the course.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll speak to Manish and even you as well. Then we
Okay.
can plan accordingly. So, and also
Okay.
one last question for everyone. Are you fine with the same timings, like 1 p.m. daily? 1 p.m. or 2 p.m.?
1 p.m.
Maybe,
is okay for me actually.
1
maybe,
p.m. is fine.
no, like, at least 2 to 3 years before it's fine. If I'm going to a second shift, I will need to join, log in at 1 p.m. only.
See, Manish is available from 12 p.m. 12 p.m. to till 5 p.m. So in
Oh, okay.
between, you can join anytime.
Okay, now then 12 to 1 is fine for me. So then check with the Amol or others availability.
Yeah, I am also okay.
Oh, okay,
12
then
p.m. Right?
yeah, 12 to
And
1.
Ramesh, what about you?
Uh, so for me, morning it is fine. In 11:30 is my shift started.
Okay, what time the shift going to start?
11:30 to 8:30.
11:30 to 8:30. So
Yeah.
can you able to manage for at least for a month, for 1 hour?
Sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's a lot of work, so that's when the time it will
See,
possible. So
anyways,
that's the
you will
reason.
be.
Yeah.
See, the thing is, each and every session will be recorded. I'll share with the recordings also. But the thing is, I don't
Mhm.
want to like go with the only recordings. You need to connect class as also. You need to go with the recordings as well. Yeah, we can try at least major classes, for
Okay.
because the thing is, Amol is work. I mean, sorry, Manish is working with afternoon shift. His shift is going to start by like evening 6 o'clock. Then till late morning hours he's working till like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. So that is why.
Okay.
Yeah, anyways, I'll speak to you no, separately, everyone.
Oh,
Like
okay.
we can discuss accordingly. We can start these classes as soon as possible. Not like late or something. Start this soon.
Okay, no, thank you.
So Ganesh, that course duration, course is weekly basis and till Saturday or Friday only.
It will be, we are planning for Monday to Friday only for now. Again, it depending on the flexibility. So depending on your availability and no Manish availability, we can manage. That's not a big thing.
Okay, yeah, got it.
A little
Thanks.
flexible. So for example, if you miss any class on the weekdays, we can stretch for weekends also, in Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
Again,
And
I'll be
also
creating
like
WhatsApp
if
group.
you have any doubt for the previous session, you can ask in the next session as well. So that will be like explained to you. Okay. Consider you have not joined the last session and you have doubt. Okay. So you can ask me in the next session as well. I will show you that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, anyways, I'll be creating WhatsApp group. So through WhatsApp group, we'll communicate.
Okay, na, sure.
about your questions, queries, timings, even post class any things like we'll discuss. Okay, then if you don't have any questions, then we can wrap up for now. Yeah, see you as soon as possible, and I'll talk to you one by one.
Okay, na, sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Manish. Thanks for your-
Thank you, Manish.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining.
Thank you. Thank you, Manish.